Course navigation. At the top of your course page is the site header. This is not course specific and will be at the top of your frame every time you're logged into the LMS. Regardless of the interaction in which you're participating, the upper left-hand corner will always have the Blue Ridge logo. If you click that, that will always take you back to the home page. Moving to the right, if you do have messages, a messages icon will appear just to the left of your profile picture. Note that messages are displayed in the lower right-hand corner of the My Courses frame. Then, of course, there's your profile picture. This will be tied to your identity. The link connected to Messages, your profile picture, and My Courses takes you into the frame that shows you your individual courses. Clicking either the profile picture or the link for My Courses will provide this drop-down. The drop-down shows Profile, Grades, Logout. In addition to the messages that are on this frame, note that one can also come up and click the Profile button to edit their profile, look at their grades, or log out completely. Also note below that, if you have upcoming deadlines, they'll be posted there in the upper right-hand corner, and one may also look at their grades. And on the far right-hand side, that small bell icon is the notifications icon. Notifications alert you to events such as a new forum post, or replies, graded assignments, or badges awarded. So the small red dot with the white number in it will display if you have a single or multiple notifications. Selecting the notification icon will then reveal a drop-down of the notification you can also click to get even more information. And a quick tip, if you are getting a lot of notifications and they start to stack up during the semester, if you just come up and click the little check mark at the top of that, you can clear your notification bin.